right, here we go. Oh, it's a basketball player, but I think we all knew that. Oh, it's an autograph relic. Is that Bird? That's how Bird shoots, isn't it? Oh, it's a bird! Oh, yeah! Oh, my God, it's a bird! Oh, my goodness! Oh, Iron Mark Dyson! Holy bejesus! Oh, it's Bird! Not a plane, not even Superman can help me right now. Oh my God! Holy cow! Oh my goodness gracious me! God, look at that autograph! Where is Iron Mark Dyson? I hope he ain't dropping. Wow! Morning and Bird. Good afternoon. Hologram, it's not numbered, but boy, they make a lot of these, I tell you. I don't think it's, boy, that's a good question. It says on the back, during a basketball, it's a Charlotte Bobcat. It's not from Boston. They would never touch that Boston guard. You'll get 30 years in pen. With the COA Certificate of Authenticity. Wow. I haven't, oh, there's Dyson. Dyson needs a diaper. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.